I'm going to sing Virar fast. Racing down the track in a 12-coach local train. Cannot rest your back, too crowded to explain. At church gate we began, quite slowly at the start. But when the driver made a plan to hear the tracks apart, hey, we are fast, showing no restraint. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 12-coach local train. Hey, we are fast, showing no restraint. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 12-coach local train. Neither was like hell, the crowd got quite insane. My hymn brought a smell, but no one did complain. Band drum made things worse, and so did Anderi. The journey felt like such a curse till we reached Borrowly. We are almost there, the journey's at the end. No time to sit and stare, classes to attend. Tires run for long, a rickshaw I locate. The train driver starts blowing the horn to go back to church gate. Hey, we are fast, showing no restraint. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 12-coach local train. Hey, we are fast, showing no restraint. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 12-coach local train. Thank you.